Creating thumbnails manually can be very tedious, time consuming, and it can be pretty boring. You open up Photoshop, tweak text, you try different layouts, you hope it performs well, and by the time you upload it, to cross your finger. But what if there was a way to generate attention-grabbing thumbnails in seconds without design skills, without spending hours, and using artificial intelligence? That's exactly what Thumbnailmakerr is built for. Thumbnailmakerr is an AI-powered thumbnail creation platform that makes professional thumbnails fast, easy, and optimized for clicks. It's perfect for YouTubers, content creators, marketers, anyone who needs high-quality thumbnails without the hassles. Let's be real, thumbnail design is creative work that can easily take about 30 minutes or even hours if you're not sure what works. But with artificial intelligence, you get smart design suggestions, you get high-impact layout, you generate multiple variations in seconds, you spend more time on content and less time on design. AI doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it. Let's go to the pricing and plans. Thumbnailmakerr has flexible pricing. They have the standard plan, which allows you to create about 60 thumbnails per month, and this is priced at $15 on a monthly basis. The most popular plan is the Pro plan, which allows you to create about 180 thumbnails per month, and it is priced at $39 per month. The Ultimate plan allows you 450 thumbnails per month, and this is priced at $79 per month. You can upgrade from any of these plans at anytime during your subscription. The best part is that you can start for free and test the platform before you actually decide to upgrade. Let's sign up on this platform together. All you have to do first is to go to thumbnailmakerr.com. You click on the sign up option. You can enter your email and create a password, or you sign in with your Google account if you want a super fast login. Once you do this, you verify your email and then you're in. Once you're in, you'll be redirected to your dashboard, which is clean, intuitive, and then ready to go. Here's how it works once you're inside. You can enter your video title, in this case the AI, the context. Select your style, bold font, minimal, dramatic, cinematic. Then you can choose image by uploading your own screenshot or let the AI suggest visuals for you, and then you can hit generate. In seconds, Thumbnailmakerr gives you multiple thumbnail options, each optimized for visual impact and click-through rates. You can swap fonts, change accent color, adjust text layout, select from different thumbnail templates. It's fast, flexible, and gives you control without complexity. One of the coolest features is YouTube Preview. You can see how your thumbnail looks on the actual YouTube interface before you export it. You will get access to Thumbnail Tester, and this lets you simulate how your thumbnail performs in different scenarios, helping you pick the one with the best visual impact before you publish. Now, these tools are great for improving click-through rates, avoiding thumbnails that look great in isolation but fail in actual context, and then A/B testing visual comparison. Thumbnailmakerr isn't just thumbnails. They also offer a suite of free creator tools like Title Generator, Thumbnail Analyzer, the Tag Finder, as well as the Color Contrast Checker, and a host of other tools which are available on the free tools section. These tools are fantastic for leveling up every part of your content workload, and many of them are even available on the free plan. So if you're tired of spending way too long tweaking thumbnails, if you want more clicks, views, and engagement, and if you want an AI-powered workflow that's fast, intuitive, and creative, then Thumbnailmakerr is worth a look. Click the link below to get started, try it for free, and design thumbnails that actually convert. Thanks for watching this video up to this point, and I'll see you in the next video.